Now the next topic what I have to explain is Python data type concept. Can you tell what is data type? The name itself indicating the type of data we are using is called data type. Suppose I am taking 10. This 10 what type? It is int type. Next to 10.5 is what type? It is a float type. Next to true, it is what type? It is a Boolean type. So data types presents represents the type of data what we represent in our program. I will show you that one. A equal to 10. Sorry. A equal to 10. Type of A. It is in 10. Now 10.5 float true Boolean like this. Now the next point, very important point in interview room. Take a bit special care. In C, Java, C++ language, how to declare a variable. If I take a Java, we need to declare it as a int a equal to 10. Int a equal to 10. Here I am writing the value of 10 is a integer type. So we mentioning as int a equal to 10. Now if a float means float any value equal variable name equal to float number like we declared. In C, C++ or Java, usually we can declare the variables like this. Now, in Python, how you can declare a variable? It is very simple. I already showed you a equal to 10. That's all. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Based on our provided value, the type will be considered automatically by the Python virtual machine. Now A is what type? Obviously it is an int type. Now I am writing type of A in this command prompt. I showed A equal to 10. Type of A is it is showing integer. Next one float. Next one is boolean. Using this type function, we can know the type of the data type. Such type of programming language is the dynamic typed programming language, and Java C are statically typed programming language. Are you clear? Okay. Now I will explain what are various data types available in Python. In Python, inbuilt data types are int, float, complex. This complex is only available in Python. It is not available in Java or any other language. And Boolean, str, it is a string, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dict, it is a dictionary, bytes, byte array, range, none. These are totally 14 data types available in Python. Almost around few hours we need to spend on these data types. First basic idea so that you people may get much clarity. Before talking about these data types, one very important thing I need to talk. Please save in your mind very strongly. Everything in Python is object. Everything, everything in Python is object. Do you know the people who is coming from other language like Java, we have primitive types, object types, like there is some difference in this in that. But in Python, everything is considered as an object only. So if I can take a equal to 10, a equal to 10, do you know this 10 is an object? Here you have to keep it in your mind. A is a reference variable pointing to the int object 10. Not only this one, boolean, string value, everything in Python is itself an object only. Next, a equal to 10. How can we find the type of a? We covered already in previous video. It is type of function. This type is a inbuilt Python function to know the type of data. That one is type of A. Next, once it is an object in the Python virtual memory, where the object will be stored. What is the address? If you want to know the address of the object, then you need to use id function, id of A. Next, I want to print the value of A. That one we know, print of A. So the most commonly used Python inbuilt functions are type, id, print functions. I will show you how. A equal to 10 already I will give you. Type of A. Already we saw this one. It is showing the type of data, class int. And I need to know the address, id of A. This is the address stored in the Python virtual memory. And I need to print the value of A, 10. This is the out. Before starting our data types concept, if we have clear clarity about these, I can use repeatedly these in our next discussion. Are you clear about this, guys? In my next video, I will explain you about the int data type. Thank you. If you like this video, please like this, click like button, subscribe it, and share to your friends.